Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
The Nordic curl isolates the hamstrings using controlled eccentric and concentric phases. It trains strength and tendon resilience by lengthening under load and then reaccelerating into knee flexion. Start with 3 sets of 4-6 reps on assisted variations before progressing to body weight, using a band or partner. Maintain a straight line from head to knees and hinge at the hips throughout each rep. Rest 90 to 120 seconds between sets, and perform this exercise 2 times weekly as part of a balanced posterior chain program. Anchor your heels securely under a stable post or with a loaded bar and pad to prevent foot movement and keep tension. Anchor your heels securely under a stable post or with a loaded bar and pad. Work from tall kneeling with hips extended and hands ready to catch or push back up so you can control the descent. Use a band or partner to assist with the eccentric phase for the first 2-6 weeks, gradually reducing assistance until full unassisted reps are possible with solid form and steady tempo. Descend slowly for 3 to 5 seconds, then return using hip drive and hands for minimal assistance. This builds eccentric strength and control. Aim for 6-12 total reps per session, split into 3 to 4 sets depending on assistance level and training phase. Progress by increasing eccentric time, reducing assistance, then adding 2 5 kg with a vest or band once form is perfect. Keep breathing steady, avoid lumbar flexion, and pair Nordic curls with hip hinge movements and direct glute work for balanced posterior chain development.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.